Welcome back everyone. Now we are going to see that what happens in the Zener diode case. So what is the Zener diode case? Why it is so special? It is so special because when a Zener voltage is reached, it starts working in reverse bias. So that is the interesting thing. It also works in the reverse bias as well as in forward bias. So let's understand the whole story here, and after that you will never get confused about these two things. So it is a diode, and diode works in forward bias. And diode works in forward bias, it means it is unidirectional. So this is true for the Zener diode too. Zener diode. But after a certain amount of the current reached to a peak level, that is also known as avalanche. Well, just like the snow that comes down, it gets bigger, bigger, and bigger. Just like that, starting from a small stone. So the snow gets bigger and bigger, and that is called the avalanche. So here the current or the flow or the electrons get bigger and bigger in one side, and the avalanche is reached. When the avalanche is reached, it's known as breakdown region. So it gets breakdown. There is no barrier. Now it do not know that which direction it has to go. It has to go either in the right side or in the left side. The right side we call it forward, the left side we call it backward or reverse bias. So it decides to go backside to balance. Yes, that is the most important discovery of the Zener, that it starts balancing the charges on both the directions, because it is reversing, and what it is reversing is the extra amount of the current or electron, whatever you can imagine, hole or electron is going, that has came to this point, it is just shedding off. So this saves our instruments, and no amount of high voltage reach to our instruments ever. So this is my mobile phone. Well, I think you call it smartphone these days. I am from your time. Trust me. Okay. So this is the state where it saves our instrument, because when it becomes very messy and very big, it do not allow. It say that go back. And that's how Zener saves our day. So stick with me for more information and more knowledge. Take care. God bless.